the thickness this way, not counting this over here, is about 15/16. Okay, the thickness. The height from up here to the bottom of the keel is 15.5 inches. Okay, that's on the outside. Yeah. Okay, and then from here to the bottom of the keel on the outside is 16 inches. The measurement from here to here is 35 inches. You know, these are all approximates, okay? 26 and 3/16 from here to here. Oh, right there. Okay? About 26 and 3/16. And from here to here is 29 inches approximately. Okay? So those will come